Okay. You want to read your words? You're silly. Read your words for Daddy.
Nap. Cap. Pound. Axe. Cat.
Very good. Now eat your brownie. Isn't he good, Dee Dee? See, Dee Dee thinks you're good.
Giant.
Want me to put on your underwear? Don't worry, I'm only getting... No. No, go do your homework. Do you rest your homework?
Can you show Daddy my homework?
It's not... He can't see it. He was just reading. You have plenty of homework. I'm sure.
I did all this.
You did it all? Good job. Well, that's a lot. You got a lot more. You did a lot of homework today. Did you finish all of yours?